body in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be showcasing Miss Thing, okay? Miss Amazon Prime wig, yes child. Ooh, I put her together, didn't I? Y'all see the baby is? I did that. If you like what you see, make sure you stay tuned and let's get into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends, people. Don't be scared to share. I like sharing. You should like sharing too. All right, let's get into this video. All right, folks. So I tried to do this whole makeup look, and it was a disaster. My eye, for whatever reason, keeps just leaking. So we're just gonna do this wig review au natural today because yeah, no, it's not working. Okay, so this wig I purchased off of Amazon.com. My sister was the one who actually sent me the TikTok on this hair, and I was just like, ooh, I need her in my life, so I got her. She is from, I forgot what company she is. I'm gonna link her on the bottom where she's actually from, but she comes with a wig cap. Okay, so this is what she looks like. This thing is actually really nice. The girl that put her on TikTok, I was just like, what, that's a synthetic? That don't look synthetic. Okay, so let's look inside her guts. She has 2 combs here and 1 in the back, adjustable straps, of course. Her lace is very, very, I don't want to say HD-ish, but this is what her lace looks like. She kind of looks like a what lace collection type of wig. So let me go ahead and try this on, and I'll be right back. Her specs, right? I actually got her from a company called Missyvan. If I'm looking down, that's only because I'm reading. Sorry, guys. I got her from a company called Missyvan. She's a lace front wig. She's about 22 inches, light brown, as you can tell. 22 inches. She comes about like right here, like right to my stomach. I want to say she hits my booty. She does hit my booty. She's supposed to be a glueless wig, but she's so big head friendly. I don't see how you can wear this glueless, like, at all. I'm sorry. Like, I love it though, but I don't see how I can wear this glueless. Like, I have to tack this down because the straps is already at to the last little hook that's back there, so there's no way I can wear this glueless. She is heat resistant up to 320. Her hair density is 180%, which I have no idea what that means. I think it's just the fullness of her. I think that's what it is. I'm learning. Anyway, and her lace is supposed to be transparent, light medium brown transparent lace, and I copped her only for $46. Now, she is really nice. I like her a lot. She's very shiny, so she's giving off some of that Barbie doll like shine type of stuff. You can fix that with dry shampoo if you want. I'm probably not gonna do all that. Also, if you want, you can pluck her, because this little area right here looks kind of crazy. But if you know me, you know I don't really like to do all that. I want my wig to already come pre-plucked, pre-baby hairs, pre-all that. And none of that is going on over here. So I would have to do a lot to fix her. And y'all know I'm lazy. I don't know. We're going to go ahead and try. I'm going to cut the lace and see what I can do. And then I'll come back. And yeah. She's definitely going to tangle. I can already tell because I already had to brush her out a few times. The shedding, no shedding. I didn't get any shedding, but she is definitely going to tangle. But she looks so cute. She is a date night ready type of vibe. All right, so let me do this off camera and
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Don't judge me. I just wish you knew. That's just like you. I miss you as I need you. I want you.
okay, so I got her all the way together. She looks beautiful. She actually reminds me of Lynette. Lynette is actually 2 videos in. Yes, 2 videos in. Lynette comes up to about here for me, and it curls a little bit. But this here, again, is 22 inches. It stops like right over my boob area. And then the back, can't really turn around to show you guys, but she's like right there, right on the buttocks. Ooh, child, I don't think I ever had a hair this long on the buttocks. But anyway, she is beautiful. I love her. Would I buy her again? Probably not. She'll probably be the only one. I don't think I want to. Maybe in a 1B. I'm lying. I would probably get her in a 1B, but something similar, maybe in the What Lace collection, or if Outre came out with something like this, because I know I wouldn't have to. Everything would already be done for me. I wouldn't have to pluck. And I tried to pluck her, and I already made a hole right in this area. It's very small. You can't really see it, so that's why I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna put concealer instead of trying the whole pluck. That's not my thing. I don't know how to. Not even I don't know how to do it. I tried and almost messed up my whole $50-something wig. So would I buy her again? Her in particular, yes, I probably would. I would get her in a 1B, but only if I can find a similar style in another brand that already has the baby hairs and the lace already pre-plucked and everything. But she, honestly, she's a 10 in my book. I like her a lot. You are going to get some tangling, but no shedding. No shedding at all. And I mean, it's a synthetic wig, so hey, what can you do about that? But she is bomb, girl. Ooh, and I blended her nice. You see that? And I did the little baby hair. Oh, with the baby hairs. Y'all see the baby hairs? Ah! I can only do again. Yes, I would. Where would I wear her to? She is definitely date night. Maybe a photo shoot. But she is definitely date night material. Valentine's Day just passed. I missed out on doing a video on that. I'm so sorry, guys. I really had a whole bunch of gorgeous. She's not thin. I can see what they mean by the 180 density, because she, okay, let me bring her all the way to the front. Ooh, even 2 ponytails. She's really cute. This is her all the way to the front. And she's nice. I don't feel like you will be able to see any of the tracks. The only cons I would say to this is because they did say she's a glueless wig, and I can't, and I have a big head, and there's no way I can wear her glueless. There is no way. Like, her tabs actually come all the way down here, and I had to, maybe if she had a strap back here, then she would probably be glueless, and maybe I might do that, like sew in a strap back there. But other than that, she is a 10 in my book. I would buy her again. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you so much for supporting. I really do appreciate you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments below, like, where would you wear her to? What would you do with her? What we doing with this? What we doing with this? You know, I can see an all red dress with her. Maybe black leather. I don't know. But she's doing it for me right now. All right, guys. Love y'all so much. Be safe.